What's up, babe? So we are at it again with another video. So today we're going to be going over how to create a website and for free if need be. My name is Ablani and I'm your favorite faith-based entrepreneur mom. I have three beautiful boys. I'm a wife. I own several businesses and I'm just that person who wants to see you win, period. So, to have a successful business, you absolutely need a website. It is important that you have one. Number one, it makes you look professional. It gives you credibility. Your customers will trust you. You have somewhere to direct them. You have somewhere to post your story, post your brand, and let them know a little bit about you and your brand. So, having a website will drive sales and reach out to new customers you didn't have before. It's definitely a win-win in all areas. There are several platforms you can use to build a website: Shopify, Wix, Stan, and etc. The one we're going to be using today is Canva. Canva does allow you to have and host a free website through their platform, or you can pay, I believe it's $18.99 for the year. It's up to you, but let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right, so first thing first, if you guys have a Canva account, the app, please go ahead and download it now. I do recommend you having the Pro feature or the Pro account because you just have access to so much more. But this can be done if you don't have the Pro account as well. If you're trying to save some coin, you're building up, putting your blocks together, that is fine. So let's go ahead to canva.com, create an account. If you already have one, let me show you how to get this done. Okay, so on the Canva site where it says create a design, go ahead and click on that, or you can go ahead and click on websites right under where it says, I believe, print products. So under that, click on websites, and then you're going to see all the templates pull up. It's going to show you a variety, so go ahead and pick something that you would like to pick. Once that's decided, I always like to go ahead and look all the way down and make sure I like the layout of it, because again, this is going to be your website. Make sure you like everything about it. What you can go ahead and change, everything that you want to go ahead and change. So let's go ahead and get started. So at the top left, what I'm doing right now is changing it, putting my little spin to it. So I'm just putting my name, Deblani, Marcellus's Designs. Once I do that, I'm also going to go ahead and edit the font. What's cool about Canva, you can change everything. Fonts, colors, pictures, whatever you want it to be, you can make it. And it just can, personalize it to your style. So once that's done, I go ahead and click on your home design. I'm going to go ahead and name it. But I want my example company to be named. In this case, it's going to be Soften Vibes Co. Give it that luxe feel. Same thing, I'm going to go ahead and change the design. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. And then we're going to use ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and put a prompt here. Let ChatGPT know exactly what I want, and let them go ahead and create me a 2-sentence paragraph I can use for my website. Guys, use all your resources. AI is out there. Please use it to your advantage. It's always good to stay in the time. If you read the book, Who Stole My Cheese or something like that, just read that book. So I'm going to go back. Here I insert my prompt, and then I'm going to go ahead and go down. Now I'm going to go ahead and personalize each of these pictures, put my own right here. I'm just going to go ahead and choose like the same picture because again, this is just an example. You can go ahead and customize this. You can go ahead and just put one picture if you just have one person on your team, which is yourself, because you're just starting off, and that's okay. What you can also do right here, if you want, put a picture of your brand story. We're going to go ahead and get into that later on, but right here I'm just going to go ahead and just use the same picture over and over since it is a example. Okay, so here is the finished look to all the pictures. Again, you can create or put anything that you want. Make this your website, okay? Personalize it. We're going to go ahead and move on. Right here, I'm just going to keep it the same. Continually moving on. Same thing here. I like the aesthetics. It's going for what I want to give. And then here it looks like you can put client reviews or client testimonials. It's always good to have this on your website. So please, if you can, put that on there. And then just some more information. This whole section right here, if you want to just delete the whole thing, you can. And then right here, this is where you can put your information. If you don't need to put your personal address. If you have your business address, put it on there, change your information. So I'm just going to use an example, like, 142, let's see, Soft Life Street. Again, it's just an example. Everything here I am making up, so that's fine. We can go ahead and change everything here. You can put your social media handles. You just insert a link. Once you insert the link, as soon as the person clicks on it, they can go ahead and go straight to your social media. You can also do the same thing here for Instagram. You can do the same thing for Pinterest. You can do the same thing for Twitter. Whatever you have, whatever social media handle you have, you can go ahead and insert here. And that's another way your customers can get to you. So this picture I don't like so much. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. Look up home decor under elements. Get another picture. This is more my style. Put it there, and boom, that is the whole thing. So once I am done, this is where we're going to go ahead and publish. Before you guys publish, please double check your work. Take a look at the final print, both on desktop and your phone, and see how it looks like. And then you're going to go ahead and insert the name of your website under website URL. It is going to have the Canva at the end. If you want to change it and have it say .com, it won't be free anymore. You just have to go ahead and connect to your main domain website, or where you purchase your domain website. For example, GoDaddy. Put it in there, and there you can connect it and publish your website through Canva. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next video.